The digital age is also the age of data. During Davos 2020, renowned historian and futurist Yuval Harari once again emphasized the importance and potential power of data. In fact, he envisioned a future where there were two classes of people: the wealthy elites who controlled data, and the exploited quote-unquote data colonies. Data, he felt, would become so important, it will become the source of power. With enough data, he warned, countries no longer need to send soldiers to conquer others. But we may be getting ahead of ourselves here. The point is, data is important. The fundamental way organizations can leverage data now is through the enablement of big data technologies. Today, the leadership of every organization recognizes the benefits of big data. What they do not realize are the measures they need to take to harness its full potential. Big data has transformed the way data is obtained, examined, saved, and utilized. Now, instead of having discrete systems for individual departments, organizations can create one system performing diverse functions. To employ big data, we need to rethink two things. First, the way information is retrieved and stored. Secondly, the adoption of new capabilities, tools, collaborations, organizational changes, and outlook. Organizations that are able to rethink and pursue innovative new approaches to utilize big data will leapfrog ahead of competition. In order to achieve this, we must first understand the three core components of big data, as depicted on this PowerPoint slide. Each of these three core components lends itself to two foundational capabilities. Now, let's look at each component. The first component is data usage. Through data usage, we identify new opportunities and build trust with customers, by utilizing data transparently and responsibly. The two capabilities to focus on are opportunities and trust. New opportunities build a culture of innovation and experimentation. We must also establish trust among consumers to enable broad use of their data. The second is the data engine. The data engine refers to how we deploy technology infrastructure and structure our organization. As with any technology deployment, the technology in our business processes must be seamlessly integrated to maximize its productive usage. The capabilities to develop here are platform and organization. The data engine platform must leverage flexible, scalable, and efficient data systems. Further, our organization needs to develop the competencies to implement and leverage relevant data applications. Lastly, the third component is the data ecosystem. The data ecosystem captures how we participate in a big data ecosystem and make relationships and partnerships work. Likewise, the capabilities to foster in the data ecosystem are 1. Relationships and 2. Partnerships. When establishing relationships, we need to create an open culture to support partnering and the sharing of data. For partnerships, we should identify strategic partners that can help unlock new economic opportunities. By fully examining and leveraging these 6 capabilities, we can develop a data strategy that propels us ahead of the competition. Our data infrastructure and usage can become a source of competitive advantage. It can also provide a foundation to an overarching digital transformation strategy that allows us to pursue new business models, product offerings, and markets. In other words, potential blue oceans. Has your organization successfully developed these 6 capabilities? If not, which capabilities are lacking? Leave your thoughts on this framework in the comments below. For a deeper dive into these capabilities that drive big data enablement, we have included a link to this framework in the video description. Is your organization currently working on digital transformation? If so, you may be interested in our collection of over 50 best practice frameworks covering all aspects of digital transformation, called the Digital Transformation Stream. These frameworks include the one on big data enablement, among ones focused on other emerging digital technologies. In fact, gain the knowledge and develop the expertise to become an expert in digital transformation. Our frameworks are based on the thought leadership of leading consulting firms, academics, and recognized subject matter experts. We have included a link to the Digital Transformation Stream in the video description. Digital transformation is currently being embraced by organizations of all sizes across most industries. In the digital age today, technology creates new opportunities and fundamentally transforms businesses across all aspects. Operations, business models, strategies. It not only enables the business, but also drives its growth and can be a source of competitive advantage. For many industries, COVID-19 has accelerated the timeline for digital transformation programs by multiple years. Does this include your organization or your competitors? Digital transformation has become a necessity now to survive in the low-touch economy, characterized by social distancing and a minimization of in-person activities. Organizations must go digital. This includes offering digital solutions for both employees, such as remote work, virtual teams, enterprise cloud, etc., and customers, such as e-commerce, social media, mobile apps, etc. We have included links to all frameworks referenced in this video in the video description. If you have any questions, please leave them as comments below. If you enjoy these types of videos on business frameworks, methodologies, and management models, then be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, check out Flevy.com directly for thousands of best practice business frameworks and tools. We regularly publish videos like this one across a multitude of management topics, from artificial intelligence to business continuity planning to organizational design.